Sound check, sound check. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, GRTC student. Okay. Good morning sa lahat. Good morning. Alright. Okay, kumusta kayo? Kumusta kayo guys? Parang na-miss ko kayo No? Parang long time no see. Okay? What time po ang exam? So what time? Diba the pre-board exam is um ano siya? So, it started noong Wednesday, no? Wednesday, Thursday, at saka Friday, Saturday. Good morning, good morning. Okay. This morning, we'll be continuing our discussion in analytic geometry, no? Analytic tabay. No, i-continue nato na siya. Okay? Di ba last time we talked about lines, no? And as well as circles, right? No, we define the standard equations of lines, no, and how to plot them, and so as its general equation, and also of the circles, no, the standard equations and the general equation. Okay, so are you all ready na? So I know pre-board ngayon, no? Yung mga hindi nag-take, online lang sa. Online lang sa. Later, same, no? Mag-online pa rin ako, no? For those who took the pre-board exam, no? This morning. Okay, so are we all set na ba? Okay na ba yung boses ko? Is it just clear? Uh, okay na ba kayo dyan? Are you all prepared na? Kasi magsisimula na tayo. Magsisimula na tayo. Audio is good. Good. It's good to know. So, kataas mo na. Okay, sige. So, let's start a discussion with conic sections. Okay, ano ba yung conic sections, no? These are section formed in a cone, no? If we're to cut a plane is either horizontal, no? It's either parallel with its base or parallel with its slant height, no? Or pwede rin parallel with its symmetrical axis, okay? So let's say ito yung cone, no? Suppose Mag-cut tayo ng isang plane using a plane horizontally. Let's say ganito, no? Yan yung i-cut natin. Okay? See that? Oh, okay? If makat na siya, 'di ba? What will form is a circle, no? Ang mapurma ba kay circle? Tama, no? So that is the first conic section. Okay? First conic section, that is if the cutting plane is parallel with the base, no? Now what if it's parallel with the slant height? Now what if parallel siya with the slant height? Mag-cut tayo. Na like yung slice natin is somewhat like this side. Wait sa ha. Uy, hindi ko pala na ito. Na-connect yung pen ko. Wait, just give me a sec muna. Oh yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. Okay, say, eto na, mag-cut tayo. Something that is parallel. Parallel with the slant height. Ito yung slant height, di ba? No? So, yung form is eto. No? It's actually a parabola. No? Ano siya? Parabola na siya ba? That will be our first topic for this morning. No? We'll be dealing with parabolas, the equation, and also the plots, no, or the graphs of a parabola. Okay, parabola. Next, what if naman, what if the uh, plane, the cutting plane, is parallel with the symmetrical axis. The symmetrical axis is ito, no? Yan. So if mag-cut tayo parallel with that, no? What would happen? Parallel siya. Ang makat natin, that would be a hyperbola na ito ay. This one, no, is something that is cut from a plane. So you can see, i-rotate ko, no? Uh, Kaya siya, no? Vertical plane na, no? So yung forma niyan is a hyperbola, no? As you can see, this curve will seem like go closer and closer to the slant height, but it won't intersect with the slant height, no? Hindi siya magka-intersect sa slant height. Well, ito, this is a result if the cutting plane, okay, no, so forma, no? This is the result if the cutting plane is parallel with the slant height. Okay, itong tuyo ko na. Parallel na siya. Hindi maklaro, no? Hindi maklaro. Hindi ba sa parallel na. Okay? So, that's it, no? Mao na siya ang parabola. Okay, ito naman, hyperbola, no? If the cutting plane is vertical. Now, let's talk about equations of a parabola, no? By definition, in analytic geometry, parabola is a locus of a point that moves such that it is always equidistant from a fixed point, no? And also from a fixed line. No, I mean its distance from a fixed point and a fixed line are equal. Okay, mo na siya ang iyahang definition, no? But that is like a bookish definition of that, no? Now, in algebra, di ba, the equation y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c will have a graph like this, no? Parabolic graph. Either it will pass through the origin or pwede rin andito, no? Or pwede rin pa ganyan, no? Downward, right? Or pwede pa ganyan, no? Or pwede again pa ganito, no? Or pwede it's a wider one, okay? So, ito yung equation ng parabola generally, no? I mean, parang general, I mean, standard equation siya, no? Of a parabola that opens vertically. Okay? Ang ingay ng pusa dito. Sobrang ingay. Okay? And, uh, now, for analytic geometry, okay, we're gonna define an equation of parabola in this form. X squared is equal to 4py, okay, if its vertex is at the origin, no? Kasi ito yung vertex, no? Nakikita ninyo, kini siya. Ano siya yung vertex. Okay? And yung P naman is, that is the distance from the vertex to the focus, no? There are books that would use A as the distance, no? From the focus to the vertex or vertex to the focus, but I'm gonna use P dito, no? So that you won't be confused with A with ellipse at saka hyperbola, no? So dito, let's just use P, no? Let's use P. Distance from the vertex to the focus. Okay? Wait. Why is this not moving? Okay, so as you can see, no, this figure here shows the graph of the equation x squared equal to y. So bali yung 4p here is equal to 1, no? 4p is equal to 1 or p is equal to 0.25, no? I don't know if the graph is just clear, no? Or my grids are just clear in your end there, no? Sa naanay grid by, no? I hope klaro lang. Kaya check it be online. Wait muna ha. If klaro lang ba yung grid. Bro, dili gid no. Hindi pala klaro yung grid. Okay, I'm gonna darken this way. Kana. Ay, dili mo. Wait, just give me a sec, ha? Ito pala. Okay, how about that? Klaro na? Okay. So, as you can see dito, no? The focus, kini siya, is located at a distance 0.25. Okay? Like quarter distance siya from ano, from the origin, no? So the equation of that is x squared is equal to y. Ayun yung equation niya. Okay, next. Ito naman. If yung focus is located at 0.5 no, from the vertex, yung equation niya is x squared equal to 2y. No? X squared equal to 2y. Next, if the vertex is exactly 1 unit now from the origin. Okay, I mean the focus is exactly 1 unit from the origin. The equation is x squared equal to 4y. So in this case, p is equal to 1. No? P is equal to 1. Now, pwede rin that the direction of the opening is downward. No? If it's downward, that would become negative naman. No? The equation is x squared equal to negative 4py. Okay, 4py. Yan. No? And if it opens to the right naman, the equation would become y squared equal to 4px. Okay? 4px. Yan na siya. So, this curve, no, describes the graph of y squared equal to 4x. Na kasi its focus is located 1 unit, no, from the vertex, which is at the origin, no? And if it opens to the left naman, no, to negative x direction, we're gonna make that negative 4x naman, no? So as you notice, di ba, if it opens upward, the equation is x squared is equal to 4y, positive 4y, kasi it opens towards positive y direction, no? Positive y direction. So parang yan yung indicator mo kung ano yung sign nito, no? That's where the opening would go, okay? If maging negative y, so it goes to negative y direction. Now, if it opens towards negative y direction. If positive 4x naman, yung linear, no, so it opens towards positive 4x, positive x direction. And if minus naman, it opens towards negative x direction. No? So that's how to indicate ba where does a parabola open towards, no? So, tingnan mo lang kung ano yung sign ng linear term. Okay? At the right side. So, by general, ito yung standard equation. Okay? X minus h squared is equal to plus or minus 4 times p times y minus k. Okay? So, this is for a vertex located at hk. Now, if it's not at the origin anymore, no, it should be written as x minus h squared, quantity squared, is equal to plus or minus 4 times p y minus k squared. So, the plus and minus would indicate where's the opening, no, of the uh, opening of the parabola, no? If positive, it would go upward, no? If negative, downward naman siya. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. Ganun lang kadali. So, ibig sabihin yan, if the coordinates of this vertex are, ilan ba yan? Ilan yung coordinates as you can see there? Diba that's 1 and negative 2. No, the coordinates are 1 and negative 2. So, the equation of that parabola, okay, it should be equal to what? Uy, parang nahiwi man. I think parang nahiwi na ako. Just give me a sec. Okay, yan. So, the equation of this parabola that opens upward is x minus 1 squared is equal to y plus 2. Okay, bakit? Kasi as you can see, di ba, yung vertex ko dito is like 0.25 lang. 0.25 units from the vertex. Okay? Ganun. Next, ito naman. Say, ang distance naman niya is 0.5, no? Distance of the vertex from the, focus from the vertex, no? It becomes, what? It becomes 2 quantity of y plus 2, no? 2 quantity y plus 2. Alright? Another. If exactly 1 unit, ito lang pala, no? If i-transfer natin, transfer from 1, negative 2, okay, dito naman, it's located, the vertex is located at negative 2, negative 3, as you can see, di ba? Is it clear? Negative 2, negative 3. Klaruhon daw na to, be. Kana, negative 2, negative 3. No? Okay? So, since the vertex, the focus is still 0.5 unit from the vertex, 2 lang ito, no? Kasi 2 over 4 is equal to 0.5. Okay? So, the equation would become like that, right? Then, if downward naman siya, let's say, the vertex is located at negative 1, 3. Is it at negative 1, 3? Negative 1, 3 na. So, the equation should become x plus 1 na squared equal to negative 2 times y minus 3 na kasi y coordinate of the vertex is now positive 3. Now, the x coordinate naman, h, is equal to negative 1. Okay, so that's it. Now, yan yung equation niya. Next. Ito naman. X plus 2 squared is equal to, parang mali pa rin ako, no? This should have been, x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 squared is equal to negative 4 times y minus 3. Naging negative 4 na yung 4p kasi p is now 1, no? Again, that's the distance from the focus to the vertex. Ano siya? And if to the right naman siya, yung naka-square naman should be now y, no? And x is linear. So, ito is y minus 1 squared, no? Yung k is 1, okay? Is equal to 4 times x plus 2. So, by general, the general equation is x minus h squared. Okay, sorry. Hindi ito. X minus k squared. Okay. Then 4p times x minus h. Ito yung general equation, no? Standard equation. Okay, standard equation siya, no? So, again, it's plus or minus, no? It's either it opens to the right or to the left. In this case, kini siya, no? Ay, highlight na to. Muna to blue as well, no? So, it's positive 4. No? So, it opens to the right. Okay? If ever, maging negative, no? Say, andito siya at 0.3 negative 2, the equation would become ganito. Y plus 2 squared is equal to negative 4 times x minus 3. So, maging negative siya. Okay? So, that's it. Okay? Basic lang. Okay? Kasi yung important dito is that you know how to graph. No? You know how to graph. Kasi guys, if I would discuss yung difficult right away na question, no? Na maglibog tayo. I have noticed talaga, like, since I started teaching, no? In the review, notice ko na maraming nahihirapan sa pag-graph ng curves, no? Even though it's as simple as a parabola, okay, maraming nahihirapan. Even though the vertex is located at the origin, still maraming nahihirapan. Okay. So may dito, mas nauna yung analytic geom. Again, as I told you last time, no, that I decided to switch kasi important yung analytic geometry, no? It's a prerequisite to calculus. Okay? Kasi in calculus, you should know how to graph, di ba? And all. So, dapat marunong kayo sa basic analytic geometry, basic graphing. Yung wala kang ginawa pero nakakapagod. Bakit nakakapagod? After aning analytic geom, sir, Econ, magka-calculus pa tayo. Okay, sige lang. No, we'll get there. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. We are still on our seventh, no? Seventh na week. Okay, so if i-switch natin, siguro ma-move natin to 10th and 11th week yung or 11th at 12th week yung yung engineering economics. Galing ng sound effect. Meron bang sound effect? Is there a sound effect, guys? Okay, sige. So, let us proceed. Okay? Example tayo. Ito. Ito. Where is the vertex of the parabola? X squared is equal to 4 times y minus 2. Okay? You know what? Even though the question is as easy as this, no? Maraming hindi marunong mag-solve, no? I'll tell you honestly, as in, even though it's as simple as that. Okay? Sige, so solve natin yan. Use MathCAD, using MathCAD. Okay, mag-MathCAD lang ko ba, no? So, paano i-locate yung vertex? Well, simple lang, no? Simple lang. Dapat yung katabi ni x, it must be the x coordinate. Yan yung h, no? Kasi yung vertex has coordinates hk, na h and k. Na yung h is the x coordinate, no? X coordinate of the vertex. Okay? Then k naman is of course the y coordinate, no? Alright? So, as you can see dito, x squared is equal to 4 times y minus 2. It's clear, no? Na walang katabi si x. So, h should be equal to 0, no? And k should be equal to 2. Okay? Kasi dapat y minus k yan. Okay? So, as simple as that. Okay? As simple as that. So, that's it. Now, that's the first problem. Again, I discuss easy ones kasi in the exams, even though ganito lang kadali yung problem, hindi marunong, no? Hindi marunong. Minsan, nababaliktad nila. Minsan, nababaliktad. Okay? Now, another question. Okay? Locate the focus. Okay, locate the focus. What is the location of the focus by? No? Paano yan? Well, take note, no, na yung P dito, kasi di ba, if we're to write that in standard form, no, the standard form is x minus h squared, okay, and it's equal to plus or minus 4p times y minus k, diba? Y minus k. Now, so dito, as you can see, it's clear that 4p is equal to 4, no? So that means p is just 1. Okay? P is just equal to 1. Okay? So that means the focus is just 1 unit. 1 unit from the center. Okay? I mean from the vertex. But another question. Where does the parabola open towards? No? So where does it open? No? Is it upward or downward? Or left or right? Well, as you can see, yung linear dito is y. No? So it should be towards positive y axis. No? Towards positive y. Okay? Positive y. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan, the focus should be at what? The same yung x coordinate, yung y coordinate should become 2 plus 1, no? 2 plus 1, or that is equal to 3. Okay? So, the focus should be located at 0, 3. Intindi? 0, 3. Okay? So, if i-graph nato na by, okay, mo na siya ang graph ay. Wait ha. Just give me a sec muna. Muna ang graph niya. No? Kita lang ba? Yan. No? So, as you can see, its vertex is located at 0, 2. No? It opens upward. Then its vertex, its focus is just dito. Okay, ito yung vertex. No? Then, the focus is at 0, 3. Okay? Even though the question is as easy as that, locate the focus, maraming nagkakamali. Now, even though kahit na yung vertex is at the origin lang, sus, witnessed many instances, no, na kamali yung mga student. Sir, kindly put grid. Dili maklaro ang grid. Mhm. Let's try this daw eh. Klaro lang man, no? Ay, natabunan pala. Mhm. Uh, di lagi. Ay. Uy, na-close lagi, way. It's a guys, ha? Nawagtang man. Nabuang man eh. What's the matter with you guys? Mhm. Swap na to. I have to swap this. Okay. So, pwede rin ito. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Parabola. Eh, it doesn't play like. Mhm. Ano? What's the matter with my graphing tool? Uh-huh. Parabola. The vertex is at 0, 2. Then, 1 upward. Ito yung graph ay. Klaro lang? Klaro lang? Kita lang? Tama na siya yung graph. No? So, it's located at 0, 2. Meron kasi akong graphing tool dito sa tawagan eh. Sa PowerPoint. Okay, sige. So, that's it, no? Another question. Dito naman. Okay. Another question. Locate the... Ayun. Madali lang man to. Sorry about that. Ito, locate the vertex and the focus of the parabola whose equation is x squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 29 equal to 0. Seems like may na-skip ako na ano. Dito na lang yan. Dito lang muna, no? Locate the vertex and the focus of the parabola. Of this parabola. So, paano to? Paano to? Well, di ba, as you can see, i-matcad na to, ha? Matcad solution. So, you can see, this is not written in standard form. Actually, this is now the general form. Okay, the general form is either in a form ax squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0, no, or cy squared, okay, plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0, no? Ito yung general equation, no, ng parabola, no? If x squared by, it opens upward or downward. If y squared, if it opens to the left or to the right. Okay, ganoon lang. Dito, we can directly say that it opens vertically, no, either upward or downward, no? In this equation, no, given equation. Okay? So, it's x squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 29 equal to 0. Now, how are we gonna find the location of the vertex and the focus? Well, we have to write that in its standard form, no? In this form. But how? Well, yung gagawin natin is completing the square. Mag-completing the square tayo, no? Bale, para ma-factor natin ba to x minus h squared. So, yung gagawin, no, i-transfer natin yung dalawang ito, no, 10y and 29 to the other side, no, making this equal to negative 10y minus 29. Okay? So, negative 10y minus 29. No? Ilagay siya sa left side, no? Pwede mag-leave tayo ng space. Okay? Leave ng space. Bakit ganoon? Kasi, dito guys, mag-completing na square tayo, magdagdag tayo dapat ng dagdag ng half as square of the half of negative 6. Negative 6 over 2 squared. Okay? And we should also do the same sa other side, no? Mag-add din tayo dapat ng ganito dito, no? Plus negative 6 over 2 squared. Or that is equal to what? That is equal to negative 9. I mean, positive 9, no? Kasi negative 6 over 2 is 3, so that will become 9. So, ito then, this will become 9, no? So, that's it. Now, i-simplify natin, ito is maging ano na yan, perfect square trinomial. This can now be factored to x minus 3 squared, no? Kung ano yung negative x over 2, no? Kung ano ito, negative 6 over 2, ayun yung magiging value dito, no? That is negative 3. So, x minus 3. If we would expand that, no? Of course, we know that the expansion of x minus 3 squared is equal to this, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Diba? So, that's it, no? X minus 3 squared is equal to negative 10y, what? Diba? Minus 20. Kasi negative 29 plus 9, may negative 20 na lang, no? And if we are to factor, factor natin yung right side, no? Factor out natin yung coefficient ng y, this will become times y minus 2, no? So, the vertex is at h equal to 3 and k equal to 2. No? Or the coordinates of the vertex are 3, 2. Okay? Coordinates of the vertex is at 3, 2. Yan. No? Easy lang, no? Easy lang. Now, How about the location of the focus? So to get the location of the focus, find P na lang, no? As you can see, yung P dito is equal to the, 4P is equal to the 10. So, ibig sabihin yan, P is 10 over 4, no? And that is equal to 2.5. Okay, 2.5. So, then paano? Well, another question, no? Where does it open? It opens upward, no? Kasi again, positive lang ito. It opens upward. So, if upward lang, yung focus should be at what? 3 and 2 plus 2.5. Okay, bakit 3, 2 plus 2.5? Kasi upward man yung direction, no? So, it's above the focus, the vertex, no? So, it's 3 and 4.5. That is the location of the focus. Okay, 3 and 4.5. Okay, try ko daw graph, try ko graph. I think isa ha. It's a parabola that opens. Where does it open again? Upward, no? Its vertex is the parabola. The vertex is unsa ganito guys? Vertex is 3, 2. So 3, 2. Then A is 2.5 and it's upward. Mali siya ang graph niya, no? As you can see, di makita na. Yan. Klaro lang ba? Okay. Lolo, wait. Di ba negative man day ang 10, no? Okay. Negative guys, no? Negative yung 10. So, dapat negative pala ito, no? And ito naman, maging positive 2. Uy, may mali tayo. May mali ako. Ito. Okay. No? When we transferred 10 to the other side, became negative 10y, no? So, this has to be negative. Kanina, na-write ko ito as 10y minus 20. No? I wrote it like this. This should have been negative 10y minus 20. No? So, if this is negative, then dapat positive ito, no? Positive 2 para maging negative 20 siya if expanded. Okay? So, sorry about that. No, mali pala. So, the vertex shouldn't be at 3, negative 2, no? Or k is negative 2. Okay? Nagkamali pala ako. Okay? Mabuti na lang nabantayan, no? H is 3 and k equal to negative 2. And also, since it's negative, dapat mag-subtract tayo, no? The focus must now be located at negative 0.5. No? Dapat at negative 0.5. So, if we are to graph it again, okay, graph. Ito. Okay. So, that is wrong. No, that is a wrong figure. Okay, let's change that. Ano ko lang, ito na lang, no? Dapat it's a parabola that has its center at 3, negative 2, no? 3, negative 2. And the is 2.5, then it's downward. Ito pala dapat, no? Mali din. Again, negative ni. Negative 2 minus 2.5. Negative 4.5. Ito na, ito na. Parang tama na. No, dapat negative 4.5 siya ba? No? Negative 4.5. Again na, again, forgot the negative sign of this, no? So, this should be negative. So, the result should be negative 4.5. Ito dapat yung focus, no? So, saan yan? Yung focus niyan is at point 3 negative 4.5. 3, ito yun, no? 3 negative 4.5. Yan na siya. Okay? Yan. Sabi no, makadraw ko, no? PowerPoint lang eh. Na siya. This first one, it was wrong, no? It was wrong. Ayos! Ayos kayo. Sir, always ba sa y-coordinate mag-add or minus? Again, no? Depende yan sa opening, no? So, since the opening nito is upward or downward, no? Vertically, so that is why yung K lang yung i-add natin ng P, no? Add natin ng P to find the focus. Okay? Mura daw ni ikaw, sir. Sir daw so bully. Stop the car. See, nice, no? It's good to know na you are, you're interacting with me. Charot. Okay? Next question. Gini. Diba na? Ay, wala ba? Aha. Yan. Okay? Sige daw, be. Solve ba, be? Kayo, kamo daw, be. Go. Locate the vertex of that. Locate the vertex. Ay, matkad lang natin again, no? So, the equation now here is what? 3x plus 2y squared minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. So, this should open towards x direction, no? Opening is towards positive or negative x direction, no? Or that is left or right, no? To the left or to the right yan of the Cartesian plane, no? But anyway, in order for us to find the vertex, since yan yung pinapahanap, no? Password exam problem kasi ito, no? First natin gagawin is isulat yung quadratic term dito, no? So, it's 2y squared minus 4y, okay? And the other values are sa right, no? So, this will become negative 3x minus 7. Yan. Dapat hindi na ako magkamali dito. Negative 3x minus 7. Okay? Now, after this, completing the square, no? So, in order for us to be able to complete the square, pwedeng na, i-factor out muna natin ito, no? Or ilagay natin yan sa kabila, no? Yung gagawin natin, make this written as y squared minus 2y, no? And that is equal to negative 3 over 2 x minus 7 over 2. No, bali, we divided this by 2, no? We divided it by 2. Okay? And after that, complete the square. Ano yung dapat i-add dito? Di ba? Dapat i-add dyan is 1 na lang, di ba? To make it a perfect square trinomial. Okay? 1 na lang. So, mag-add din tayo ng 1 dito, plus 1. No? So that this will become y minus 1 squared. Okay? And that is equal to, what is this? Negative 3 halves of x. Then, what is negative 7 halves plus 1? Negative 7 halves plus 1. That's negative 5 halves, no? Negative 5 halves. Yan. Okay? And after that, pwede natin i-factor out yung negative 3 halves, no? So this will become what? Negative 3 halves. So this should become x minus 5 halves times what? Times 3 halves or 2/3, no? Times negative 2/3. Okay? Gawin na natin ganyan, no? Para mas makita na to unsay dapat. So this should be equal to uh, 10 over 6. Ano ko na? 10 over 6. So, positive 10 over 6. That's it, no? So that if I would multiply 10 over 6 and negative 3 halves, it should go back to 5 halves, no? Should go back to negative 5 halves. So tama, tama. Ito yung parang standard form niya. So we can say that yung k is equal to 1, no? While yung h, that's equal to negative 10 over 6. No? Or that is equal to negative 5/3. Negative 5/3. Pwede pala natin ano ito, 5/3. 5/3, no? 5 over 3. Okay? So k is negative 5/3. I mean, h is negative 5/3. Okay ba? Ayos ba? That's it, no? That's it. Kasi vertex na yung pinapahanap eh, no? Vertex lang. Pero how about ito? How about if ito yung pinapahanap? Eh, focus. Kayo naman, be. I want you to try solving this. Find the parabola of the focus. Find the location of the focus of the parabola. Okay, go. Sige, everyone. Bigay ako ng choices, bay. Bigay ako ng choices. Sige. Okay. Sige na, nag-try kayo dyan. Nanonood pa ba kayo? Be, ilan yung nanonood ngayon? 156. 156 lang. Letter C. Are you sure? Baka basi nag-sidab tupod mo na ha? So the equation is y squared plus 4x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay? So, find the location of the focus. Well, yung gagawin natin, do completing the square again. Y squared minus 4y, no? Then, that is equal to negative 4x plus 8. Negative 4x plus 8. Okay. So, let's complete the square. To make it a complete square, no? Dapat, ano din siya ba? Dapat this is equal to plus 4, no? Plus 4 na siya dapat. So that we could make it written as y minus 2 squared. Okay? Y minus 2 squared. Ano pala? Dapat may y minus 2 squared. Right? Dito, since we added 4 here, no? That's something that we added, diba, dito? No? So, mag-add din tayo ng 4 dito. Making it equal to negative 4x plus 12. Okay? So, this is negative 4x plus 12, right? Or this is negative 4 times x minus 3. No? X minus 3. Am I correct? So, yung h dito is 3, yung k is 2, no? And yung p, that's equal to 1. But negative siya. Downward siya, di ba? Downward. No? Is it downward? Or it opens, no, to the left. To the left pala, not downward, no? But to the left, to the left. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung x-coordinate ng focus, x-coordinate of the focus, it should be equal to 3 minus 1. No? Should be 2. And yung y-coordinate, that should just be the same with, the same with the y-coordinate of the vertex. Okay? So, that's it. 2, 2. No? 2, 2. Letter C is the answer. Okay, letter C. Okay? Okay, so as you can see, no? So, x naman tayo nag-add. Bakit? Kasi it opens to the left. Okay? Or nag-minus. It opens to the left. Okay, if you graph na to na, again, it's a parabola that has its origin, vertex at 2, 3. Asa mo itong 2, 3? Then focus is equal to 1 and to the left. Charan! Saan siya? Ang kinis siya nga parabola ba eh? Okay. Its focus again is located at 2, 2. Wait, parang mali ako. Dapat 3, 2 ni siya, no? Dapat 3. Oh gosh. Gilang. Ito rin mga i-clear. Ha? Uy, na-appeal mo lang. Sorry about that. Ito lang nang i-clear ha. Just give me a sec muna. Manual mong ko ani. Okay, so it's a parabola whose vertex is again at 3, 2. 3, 2. Focus is 1 and yan. Now, so the focus is a 2, 2. Ano siya? The focus is there. Okay. Ayos. Be, tingnan natin again yung letter B. Ka lang. Okay, sunod. Be, dito be. I want you to solve this. So, parabola has an equation x squared plus 8x plus 4y minus 20. Find the location. Find the following: location of the vertex, length of latus rectum, okay, location of focus, at saka equation of the directrix. I forgot, no? I forgot to include. Ano yung latus rectum? Okay, yung sa manabay. Well, if we're to go back sa graphs, no? The latus rectum, for example, ito, no? Is a line segment drawn perpendicularly dito. Okay. Wait. Okay, we call this one as the latus rectum, no? And it passes through the focus. Okay, it passes through the focus. August focus. Uh, August focus. Hard to get pa. Ito. Ano siya? No, muna siya ang latus rectum by. Yan. Okay. If the focus is dito, kini. Ano. Okay. So, this is the latus rectum. And the length of the latus rectum, let's denote that as LR, that's equal to 4P. No? Kung ilan to, no? This is 3, no? In this figure. Ito should be equal to 12. Okay, 12 na siya. As you can see, from negative 6, no? To positive 6, that's a total of 12. Okay? So, yung 4P, yan yung latus rectum. Okay, yan yung latus rectum. Now, yung directrix naman, is a line drawn behind the opening, no? And that is perpendicular with the axis of symmetry or parallel with the latus rectum. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag nating directrix. Directrix. Okay? Yung distance nito, no, from the vertex is equal to P, no? Kung P ni siya, from the vertex, ito dapat P din ito, no? Yan yung directrix. Okay? So, include natin yan, no? Include natin yan sa question. So, ito. Locate the vertex, length of the latus rectum, location of the focus, and also the equation of the directrix. I'm gonna give you like about 2 minutes or 3 now to solve this. Go. I want you to simplify and write it in its standard form, no? Please, I'm not gonna do that anymore, no? Dapat kayo magbigay sa akin ano yung standard form yan after completing the square, no? Sige lang, everyone. So, Sound check. Somebody asked dito in the Padlet, sabi niya, Sir, dili ba ni to open to the right? Naglibog ko, sir, bali man ganiha sa principal. Again, as you can see, when we factor the negative 4 out, no, from x, negative 4 times quantity of x minus 3, okay, naging ano siya, naging negative siya, di ba? Ano ibig ko sabihin? Di ba? Wala, asa man to? Oh, sure, Padlets. Oh, wala. Kini ba? Mga na lang pasabot, guys. Uy, hindi man makuha. Baka na daw ba? Bakit daw negative? Bakit daw to the right? No? Yan yung tanong dito. Ah, sabi ng nag-ano sa Padlet. Bakit daw to the left? But hindi to the right? Again, kasi negative, no? Negative. Negative. Wala na, finish na. So, wala yung makita. Sir, what mean nasayod sa latus rectum? Okay. Ay, okay. Hala. Mao ba? Oh gosh. Natabunan sa matkad kanina. Kasi? Natabunan? Ito. Again, no? Let me repeat. Let me repeat. Here. Okay. Uh, ano yung latus rectum? Okay, sige. So, tingnan nyo ito, no? Yung latus rectum is a line segment, no? That passes through the focus, no? Ito yung focus in this figure. Para siya. Then, yung latus rectum is ito. Kanang change o color dira, no? Mana siya ang latus rectum. Okay ba? No? Now, the directrix is align siya dito. Align siya dito, no? Behind its opening. Okay? This is a line, no? So, nasa arrows dapat. Okay? Again, this is what we call a latus rectum. Latus rectum. Yung length niya, okay, is equal to 4p. Okay? Yung length niya is equal to 4p. Okay? Uh, ito naman, the directrix, okay? This has an equation naman equal to either y equal to k minus p, no, or plus p, no, depende kung ano yung opening. In this case, dapat minus, okay? Okay, dapat minus, no, and that is at a distance p. Uy, nakita. That is at a distance p. At a distance p siya, no? From there. So, mana, no? If p ni siya, kung ano yung p, di ba? P pod na siya. Ayun yung directrix. Okay? So, that's it. Sorry about that. Sorry about kanina. No? Matabunan lagi. So again, going back to this one. Oh, puro man makakita. Ang LRDI, basihan if opens left or right and up or down, sir. No, no, yung sign, no, yung sign ng coefficient at the right, no. I wouldn't say LR, but yung sign niya, no. So the vertex is at 42, is it? Tell me daw, ano yung ano? Ano yung uh, ano yung standard form niya? Standard form. If it's x squared plus 8x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So the standard form is ano? X minus x plus 4 squared is equal to what? Equal to negative 4y times what? Ano sabi na ba? Tell me daw ba? 9? Is it 9? Negative 4 times y minus 9. Aha. Is this correct? So the vertex is at negative 4, 9. Okay, negative 4, 9. All right. Mhm. Now, actually, guys, there is a shortcut, no? I have a shortcut nito. Like, I could tell right away saan yung vertex, no? Saan yung vertex ng parabola. Without even doing completing the square. How do I do that? Ganito no? Looking at the equation, x squared equal to x squared plus 8x plus 4y. First, yung gagawin ko, titingnan ko lang ito, no? X squared plus 8x, no? With that, I could directly say that yung h is equal to negative of 8 over 2, no? I could directly say that h is equal to negative 4. Bali, in negative half mo lang yung coefficient ng 8, no? Coefficient ng linear term. Okay? So that's it. H is equal to negative 4. And to get k naman, without even trying to do completing the square, uh, pwede ko i-substitute no making x equal to h, no? And so for y. So, bali, yung gagawin ko, again, now I'm gonna make this negative 4, then solve for y, no? That's how I usually solve or find the location of the vertex, no? So that's it. I solve for y, so I got 9, no? So yun yung shortcut. Okay, yun yung shortcut. Example kanina, no? What example did we have kanina? Let's start with this. So ito, no? Ito yung given kanina. Kita nyo? So, we did completing the square for us to be able to solve for the vertex. Yung shortcut ko niyan is ganito. Okay? Click mo na ha. Yung shortcut ko niyan is um, h is equal to 6 over 2, no? Bali, negative of negative 6 over 2. Yan. So, that's positive 3. Okay? Positive 3. Then, yung k naman, I'm gonna, like, do substitution, no? Like, i-evaluate ko ito without that y. Okay? And so, i-divide ko ito ng negative y, no? So, I'm gonna make x equal to 3. That's how I solve uh, the h and k na right away. So, negative 2. Okay, shortcut lang. Or you may use formula, no? Somebody here in Padlet posted a formula in solving for h and k, no? Yeah, you may do that, no? You may do that. You may use formula. Sa akin dito, again, I'm just gonna look at I'm gonna look at the coefficient of the linear term, no? If x squared, coefficient of x yung titinan ko. If naging y squared pa yan, then I would have to start with, y. Now, for example, kanina, in this problem, no? Suppose, i-shortcut na to. If shortcut natin to, since naka-y squared siya, no? So, instead of doing this, since naka-y squared siya, unahin ko i-calculate yung k, y coordinate. So, that is negative of negative 4 over 2. Okay? And that's equal to 2, no? And yung h naman, yun yung x coordinate, di ba? X coordinate of the center of the vertex. So, parang evaluate ko ito without this 4x, no, divide ko ito by negative 4. Okay? And make y equal to the 2. Make y equal to the 2. Okay? So, 2, 3, di ba? It's a shortcut. I mean, 3, 2. 3, h is 3, k is 2. Okay? And also, you could directly know the opening. No? O ha? Diba? Naging negative siya. So, we could say that it opens towards negative y direction. No? Or to the left. No? To the left. Kasi naging negative siya. Now, before we transfer that sa right side, diba, it was initially positive sa left side. No? When it was written in general form. So, ganun pala. If you find this to be positive, ibig sabihin yan, maging negative siya if transfer to the right, then it opens to negative y direction. No? Yun lang. If this happens to be minus, no? If naging minus pa yan, this would become positive if transferred to the right. Di ba? Naging positive sana siya if transferred to the right. And then, yung direction would become positive y sana. No? Sorry. Downward pala. Downward. Or downward. Diyan. Sorry about that. Downward. No, not to the left. Okay? Sama ni si Zero. Okay? Downward pala. If naging positive sana to, no? It was initially positive, no? But if naging negative sana to, magiging positive sana ito. Right? No? That means this should have, open upward. Okay? If ito pa yung equation, but initially it's plus for y. See? Pwede. Pwede, no? Pwede ma-shortcut. Now, the directrix. Di ba, nakuha na natin yung vertex, no? It's at negative 4, 9. And it opens downward. So, the directrix should be above. Should be above. No? Uh, over, no? Parang nasa itaas, di ba? Over the parabola. No? So, the equation should be y equal to k plus p. K plus p. P naman tong p. Diba? Yung p is 1, no? And yung k is 9. So, 9 plus 1, no? So, yan dapat yung equation ng parabola na yan. Okay. Correct ba? Let's find out, no? I-draw na to, may graph na to og tarong. Yung kuminawa, bisa ha? Okay, sige. Dirito bay, no? Himo na to green. Karo lang bala. Karo lang bala. So, a parabola that opens towards what direction again? Uh, towards the vertex is at negative 4, 9. No, it opens downward. Yung P niya is 1. Downward siya. Ito. Ito yung parabola dapat. Okay. Don't mind na yung ano ha, black ha. Don't mind na, don't mind na. Pwede ko i-delete na lang ito ba lahat para ma-repeat ko. Again, negative 4, 9, ito naman 1, downward. Yan, no? So, ito yung graph. Then, the directrix is, ano siya, it's parallel to x-axis, no? So, parallel to x-axis. So, that is y equal to, what did I get kanina? 10? No? Y equal to 10. Ang na siya, no? So, mga nabay. Ang focus niya, located at ano lang, downward naman, di ba? Subtract ka ng 1, no? So, it should be 8, right? So, negative 4, 8. Yan, diha ang focus. Okay kayo, no? Okay kayo. So easy. Okay, next. Let's talk about, ano naman ellipse, no? Ellipse naman tayo. What is an ellipse? Ay, another pala, pa-practice lang muna, no? Pa-practice. Ito. Kayo naman. Before talking about ellipse, ito muna. A parabola has an equation y squared plus 6x minus 8y minus 14 equal to 0. Find the following, no? Location of the vertex, the latus rectum, the focus, and the directrix. Sige daw, be. Well, ganito ha, if you would try that, you'd find that the location of the vertex is at K equal to positive 4, no? Kasi negative half of negative 8, yan yung pwedeng unang makuha, no? Though you may do a standard calculation, no? Yung conventional solution, completing the square, okay? Pwede lang, no? But in this case, pwede lang din diretso, no? Like, yung k unahin, k is equal to negative of negative 8 over 2. Yan na siya. 4. And with that 4, you can get h. Now, h is equal to y squared, k squared minus 8k minus 14, then over that negative 6, no? Kasi parang i-transfer mo yung 6 to the other side, maging negative 6x, then divided by negative 6. So, that's it, no? And make k equal to 4. Okay, so 4 in siya by 4 in siya, and you get 5. So, it's located at, 4, 5. Okay? While, yung ano naman, opening naman niya could be found in 6x. No, 6x mo na ba? Actually, yan yung negative 4p dapat. Yung 6x, no? So, p or 4p is equal to uh, negative 6. Okay, kasi if it transfer to the other side, being negative 6 mo siya. That's it. So, it opens to the left, no? To negative direction, negative x direction. If we would graph that, ito yung graph actually. No, ipakita ko na lang diretso. Yeah. No? Its vertex is at uh, h equal to 5, no? And k equal to 4, no? 4, 5, right? And it opens to the left. Yeah. The direct should be located somewhere dito sa right side, no? Sa right side. Nasa right side ng parabola. Okay? Yung focus is nasa left, no? Towards the opening. Okay? And at the distance what? At the distance 6 over 4. Or 1.5, no? So, bali, if mag-draw pa ako nito, I would find that the vertex is located, the focus is located dito. No? 1.5. No? And the director should be this. Demonstrate. Pero sige na lang, sige na lang. No? Saan na siya? Okay? Break sa taser before mag-ellipse. Sa'yo po mga kaayo. Mag-break sa ta. O pa may kaon, guys. Wala yung problema kay ako just, just. Okay, sige, let's talk about ellipse. Hey, ellipse tayo, no? If di makaya sa oras, advance na. So, an ellipse, by the way, is a locus of a point that moves such that the distance, no, of a point, the sum of the distances of the point to two fixed points is constant. Bali, if mag-focus tayo ng isang point dito, no, yung sum ng distance na ito at saka distance na ito is constant na siya, no? So, kahit anong point on that path, say ito, ang sum nito at saka ito is also the same, okay? The same siya. Okay, so yan yung definition niya. Now, if the ellipse is located, if the center of the ellipse is located at hk, no? That means x coordinate is h, y coordinate is k, no? And the longer distance, parang longer radius siya, we call that as the semi-major axis, no? That is denoted as A, okay? Then, the shorter distance naman, parang shorter radius, that is called as the semi-minor axis, denoted as B. Okay? So, ito yung mga semi-major at saka semi-minor, no? And the distance from the center to the focus, we call at the C. Now, we denote that as C, no? From center to the focus. Okay? Yung equation ng ellipse na yan is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. No? So, kung ano yung longer na dimension, yan yung nasa denominator. No? For example, in this case, yung longer dimension is along x direction. So, nasa denominator ng x yung a, no? A squared. Yung shorter dimension, yung b is nasa y, no? Vertical. So, nasa denominator yung b squared. Denominator ng y, yung b squared. Okay? So, na siya. Now, if interchange natin, may baliktad naman, no? Kanina, ganito, dito. So, yung b should now be along x, no? So, nasa baba na siya ng x. And y naman is nasa, yung a naman, major axis, semi-major is along y. So, nasa baba na siya ng y minus k squared. Okay? So, muna. Why doesn't it move na? And again, as what I said, yung distance na ito, na is fixed. Yan na siya, kini, na-fix na siya nga distance. Kana, and so on. Okay? So, i-fix yan, then dapat, so as this fixed din ito, no? And that should be equal to A. Kasi, as you can see, no? If i-connect natin yung kini, connect natin ito to dito. Now, like, considering this point here ba, no? Dapat the sum of this must be equal to 2A. No? Hindi siya nga line na ginawa ko, no? This plus this. Equal na siya to 2A. No? Bakit 2A? Kasi if I'm gonna transfer this first one dito sa right side, I mean, sa lower part, maging equal to a total of 2A yan. So, yung sabihin yan, yung distance nito, itong dalawa, no, is equal to 2A. No, 2A. This plus this is equal to 2A. This plus this is equal to 2A. No, so, if the semi-major axis is 10, dapat the distance of this point to that point is, the sum is equal to 10. Okay? So, muna ba? So, ito, A din pala ito, no? A din pala ito. So that we could, make a relationship, no? The relationship is this, making a triangle, di ba? If B na siya, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Okay? Then, the eccentricity of an ellipse, no? That's the, para bang, degree, unsa ka curve ang usa ka ellipse, no? It's equal to C over A. Is C over A. And it must always be less than 1, no? It must always be less than 1. Now, the directrix naman are lines located dito. As you can see, this, sana siya, orange lines. No? They are called as the directrix. The distance of a directrix from the center of the ellipse is equal to A over E. Okay? A over E. Or E again is the eccentricity. Okay, so ito yung D. No? Example. Plot tayo. Ito. Plot the following ellipse. Sige. X squared plus Y squared. Muna ha. Isa guys ha. Kaya ako ang text back. I don't know what happened. And I don't know where it went. Dito. Okay. Okay, so we are to plot this. Pwede natin i-plot siya dito. Gini. Okay. X squared, X plus 3 squared. Y plus... Yeah. So how? Well, the center is located at what? A is equal to negative 3. No? K is equal to 2. Negative 3, 2. No? Where is that negative 3, 2 located? Negative 3, 2. Yan, dito. Sa second quadrant. Okay? And A is 5, no? And it's below X, no? So dito, dapat magpasa dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dito. And B is 3. Dito. No? So, like, ito yung mga quarter points niya, no? Ng ellipse. Okay, so negative 3, 2 is 5, is 3. Yan. Okay? Mana siya? Okay ba? Yan yung graph ng ellipse. Madali lang, no? Madali lang. Okay, next problem. So, ito. Okay, sunod. Ano yung next? Ito naman. X minus 5 squared over 64 squared over 64. Uh, Kini. Kini. So, sa may location na niya. Okay? I mean, sa graph na niya. Well, the center is at 5, negative 4. Saan yung 5, negative 4? Nasa fourth quadrant, no? Dito, nasa fourth quadrant. Okay? Then, as you can see dito, A should be square root of this 100. No? It should be 10. B naman should be square root of 64. B naman. That is equal to 8. No? So, 10 of 8. Okay? 10 8. So, yung graph nito is what? It's an ellipse with h equal to 5, then negative 4. Then A is 10 units. B is 8. And ito, this should be along Y, no? Wala siya. Wala ang graph niya, no? Ba't ganon? Ba't ganon yung graph? Kasi as you can see here, this is equal to 8, no? Ito na yung 10. Ano siya 10? Okay? Yes! But how about the other one? Yeah, how about the other one? Besa man itong usa. Where's that again? Well, the other one is written in the general form, no? General form yan of an ellipse. Later, no, we'll be solving the location of the vertex ito, and so as the focus, no, or foci, no, and distance of the focus or foci, then equations of the directrices, and many more, no? So, solve natin yan right after the break. Mag-break sa ta, no? Mag-break sa ta. Break kamay, no? Sige, sige. Break sa. Okay, sige. Let's continue. Magpatuloy tayo. Okay, so let's solve this one. No? In order for us to plot this curve, 64 x squared, sulat ko muna ha. We have to first find the location of the center, um, and also the values of a and b, right? 64x squared plus 25y squared minus 384x minus 350y, then plus 201 equal 0. Okay? Yan. So, how are we gonna find the ano dito? Location of the center. By completing the square, no? Completing the square. Yung solution talaga nito is complete the square, no? Complete the square. So, complete the square, sir. Yun bang gawin mong uh, perfect square trinomial, no? So that ma-factor mo siya to x minus h squared. First, i-group muna natin yung mga x squared, no? Ay yung mga x, 64x squared. Okay? Then, minus 384x. Okay? Then, space. Maglagay tayo ng space. Then, 25y squared. Okay, 25y squared. Then, minus 350y. Okay? Then, i-transfer natin yung constant to the other side. Maging 201 yan. No? Maging negative 201. Okay. That's it, no? Uh-huh. I don't know if you are listening or you're watching or I don't know. Basta magpatuloy lang ako dito, ha? So, yung gagawin natin, di ba, as you can see, merong coefficients ang x squared at saka y squared. So, yung gagawin natin, i-factor out na din sila. 64, no? Times x squared minus what? I-divide mo. 384 divided by 64. Pila mo na? 64. That is equal to 6, no? So, magiging 6x ito. Magiging 6x. Okay? 6x. Again, there would be a constant, or I'm gonna make it like this way. 64 times x squared minus 6x. Okay? Then, space. I want to leave a space dyan. Then, 25. Then, y squared, no? Then, ito naman, 350, try to divide it by, 25, and you'd get 14, no? So, 350 plus 14, 14y, okay? Then, space, equal to negative 201. Na siya. Watching and listening, sir. Okay, good. Good. It's good to know. Now, uh, what will happen dito? So, ano yung i-add natin dito? No, ano yung i-include natin? Well, again, this is completing the square, no? This is what completing the square means. Okay? We are to add a constant to make it a perfect square trinomial, no? Perfect square trinomial. Ano ba? Dapat square of the half, no? Mag-add ka ng square of the half of negative 6. Negative 6 over 2 squared. Yan. So, bali, may ganito na ito, no? Dito din, no? Maging parenthesis na ito. I mean, let's make ito i-bracket. Mag-add tayo ng 14 over 2 squared. No? 14 over 2 squared. Okay? And again, that's equal to negative 201. Okay, negative 201. Yan. Okay, I hope klaro lang, no? Klaro lang ba? Okay, or mas i-simplify pa gid na to. Mas i-simplify pa natin, no? So this should become negative 3, negative 3, negative, negative 3, then ito naman is 7. Okay? 7. But take note na we added something dito. We should also add something here, no? So this should not just be negative 201 sa right side, no? This should be negative 201 plus something, di ba? May i-add din tayo, pero ano ba yung i-add ko? Later na lang, no? So, dapat yung i-add ko, kini ay, um, kini ay, 64, i-factor out ko muna ito. This should now be written to x minus 3 squared, then plus 25 times y plus 7. This should become y plus 7, no? Squared. Yung i-add ko dito sa right side should be equal to this negative 201 plus 64 times 3 squared or negative 3 squared. Okay, ito ba? Ito. Negative 3 squared. No? And dapat yung i-add dyan. Plus 25 times this 7 squared. No? That's 7 squared. Yan yung i-add dyan. Okay? Kuha lang ba? Gets lang ba? Sir, stop. Bakit stop na naman? Okay? Wala na pod mo kasabot. Nagpa-stop na pod mo. Again, no, dito, it was incomplete. There should be something to be added dito. No? And ito yung dapat i-add. Hindi siya. No? Palikihan ko ba? Make it. Ayan. Okay. So that's it. That's it. No? Or, evaluating this, you'd find that to be 1,600. No? So, this is equal to 1,600. Na siya. Okay? Now, di ba, the right side must be equal to 1, no? The right side must be equal to 1. So, this should become what? Divide both sides by 1,600, no? Ito, divide mo by 1,600. And so, as this, no, para maging 1 yan, no? Maging 1 yan. So, this will become ganito, no? And, what is that? 64 over 1,600. 64 over 1,600. Diba? If you would evaluate that in your calculator, you'd find it to be 1 over 25. No? So this is over 25 here. Then plus, if baliktad naman, if ito naman 25, maging 64 naman, 1 over 64. So this is y plus 7 squared over 64. And that is equal to 1. Okay. Ayos ba? Okay. Negative 14y daw dapat. Wait ha. Yan, no? Negative pala ito. Negative. Sorry. Again. Sama na si Sir. Uy, makalimot man. Negative. So, negative to. But hindi ito maapektuhan dito. No? Kasi, even though negative ni siya, no? Still, it will give us negative 1,600. No? Positive 1,600. Okay? So, dapat negative lang pala ito. No? Negative. Negative. Yan. Sama ka, sir. Ay, stop, good sir. Stop the car. Ay, kalimut. Sige, stop, sir. Okay, sige. Sorry about that. Na? Dali, aragid malipat ni sir. Okay. So, eto na, no? Eto na. Eto na ang equation ninyo. Ay equal to 1. Ayos ba? Na, yan yung sagot. Ayan yung equation. Or, pwede natin i-write as b squared a squared. So, dapat ito is 5 squared, di ba? 25 is 5 squared. Ito naman is 8 squared. So we can say that B is 5, A is 8, no? B is equal to 5. Yan, no? So if i-graph natin to, graph natin to, 3, 7, asa man nadapit ang 3, 7, B. Kini, kini, kini. So, 3, 7. An ellipse with 3, 7. Yeah, A is equal to 8. B is 5. Then, dapat Y yung ano no, major. Kana siya. No? Bali, na-adere ang center by. No? 3, 7. 3, 7. Diba? Ayos kayo. No? Ito na yung pang-delete ko. Mali siya center. Oops. Ayan na. Oops. Oops. Sumunod. Oops. Wala na eh. Kana. No, and the ellipse niya, I mean the foci niya must be located dito. No? Nana sila diri. No? To find the locations, no? You may solve for C, but most likely yung C dito is not a whole number. No, kasi A is greater, so this should be square root of 8 squared minus 5 squared. That's 6.245. No, yan you see. There are problems that would ask for the distance lang between the foci. The solution would just be 2C, no? 2 times that 6.245. Yan. No? Like, yan lang yung ipapahanap. Distance between the foci. Alright? Eh, more example? You want more example, guys? Wait ha. Wait sa, wait sa. Hmm. So, lips. Wait muna. Nawala lagi yung example na ko dali. Wait sa guys ha. Okay, nawala akong ischemia sac muna. Mhm. Example ako dali. Okay. Ito. Next. Next one. Aha. Aha. Wala din ako na upload copy, guys. Copy paste ko sa karang old na ano ko ba? Ah, slides ko. Okay, sige ito. Find the major axis of the ellipse. Now, this is a password exam problem. Okay, find the major axis of the ellipse. X squared plus 4y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, how would you solve it, be? At do completing the square, no? Yan kasi yung conventional solution, no? Completing the square. Okay? Sige daw. So ito, x squared plus 4y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. You know what? Yung problem na ganito, no, maraming nagkakamali no, sa exam. As in, taghanjud, no? Mawan ni man, mawan ni. Like, they thought yung sagot is this, pero hindi pala. Okay? Aha. Diba? If we're to solve, oh sorry, dili, hindi makita. Sa matkad, ibang matkad pala na sulatan ko. Ah, sakto man. Ay, ito pala. Ito pala. Tama pala. Pero, dapat kini. Mhm. Okay, sige. So, x squared plus 4y minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. Again, do completing the square. No? So, ito, x squared minus 2x. Ano yung dapat i-include dito para maging perfect square trinomial? Again, no? Kung ilan yung coefficient ng x, i-divide by 2 mo yan, then square. Okay? Or that's just 1. No, 1 lang yan. Maging ano siya, maging x minus 1 squared. Diba? X minus 1 squared. No? But take note that it's like we added 1 dito. We added a additional 1 dito. So, we should also add that sa other side. No? Then, continue tayo. 4y squared. I-factor out natin to. No? Then, yung minus 8y, maging ano na lang yan, minus 2y na lang yan, no? And again, we should add the same, no? The same, 1. Kasi parang the same siya dito, no? Only merong 4. So, ayan. Okay. This is equal to what? Dapat yung negative 1 ay yung 1 maging transfer sa kabila, no? This 1 transfer sa kabila, maging negative 1, then mag-add tayo ng 1, no? 1 plus 1. See? 1 plus 1. Eh, bakit? Kasi ito yung 1 for this one, no? Okay, and kulang pala. Ito dapat must be 4 times 1, no? 4 times 1 kasi we added 4 times 1 dito, not just 1. So, plus 4 pala, no? Plus 4 pala. So, we can now factor these two. X minus 1 squared, and ito is 4 times y minus 1 squared. Ano siya? No? And this is equal to 4. Equal to 4. And if we are to write this in general form, standard form, so this should be over 4. No? Ito, makancel yung 4, maging over 1 lang, no? So, equal to 1. That's it, no? Yung A is equal to square root of 4, and that is 2, no? Yung B is square root of 1, where that is equal to 1. Now, you know what? If the choices are these, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say the choices are these, many students would choose 2, no? Because for them, the length of the major axis is equal to A. But that is wrong. Take note, no? Major axis or length of major axis is equal yan to twice of A, no? Twice of A yan. And that is equal to 2 times 2. And that is equal to 4. Okay? Equal to 4. Ayos. So letter C dapat, no, if ever, ito yung mga choices, no? Maraming magkakamali dyan. Even though simple lang, no? Even though simple lang. Now, meron ding other, ano, di ba, as I discussed kanina, meron ding other parameters sa ellipse, no? The eccentricity and also the directrices, no? So again, the formula of the directrix of the eccentricity is equal yan to C over A, no? C over A. Eccentricity E is equal to C over A. So in this problem, if suppose for us to find the eccentricity, no? Say, ano ko ito ha? Para bang uh, lagyan natin ng additional problem ba? So the question is find the eccentricity. So yan yung supposed ano ko kanina pero na-delete, no? Sorry, gid. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse. So, eccentricity is equal yan to again C over A, no? C over A. Mhm. Okay, so solving for that, ano yung C? Di ba? Formula is C or square root of C is equal to, C is square root of A squared minus B squared, no? Dapat A is longer, no? So, C dito is equal to square root of um, 2 squared minus 1 squared. Yan. No? Or that is equal to square root of 3. Square root of 3. Di ba? Square root of 3. So, the eccentricity, E, is equal to C, square root of 3, okay, over 2. No? We have to evaluate that gives us 0.866. No? That's it. No? It's correct. It's less than 1. Okay? Yan yung second, yan yung eccentricity. Meron naman tinatawag na second eccentricity, no? Second eccentricity, kasi tinatanong din ito sa board exam. Okay? That is denoted as E prime, E prime. Yung formula naman niya is equal to C over B, no? Ito is parang ratio kasi siya ng distance ng C to the semi-major axis, no? So ngayon, i-ratio mo siya to the semi-minor, no? So that is equal to square root of 3 over 1. Okay? So, in this case, the eccentricity may not be equal, may not be greater, less than, no? Less than 1. It may be greater than 1. Okay? Yan yung second eccentricity. Okay ba? Okay ba? Now, another question. Another question. Okay, all about ellipse. Ito. Sini. Gani. Uy, oo man. Yan. Oh, yeah. An ellipse with an eccentricity of 0.65 and has one of its foci 2 units from the center. The length of the latus rectum is nearest to what? Okay. Here, there's no given equation. Okay, there's no given equation. Okay. There's no given equation. So, paano ito? Paano ito? Well, di ba, the given is equal to, is E, equal to 0.65, no? And ano yung one of its foci 2 units from the center? That is simply the C, no? C is equal to 2 in this case. Okay? So, since for us to get the latus rectum, unsa may latus rectum? Di ba, take note, in parabola, latus rectum is 4 P. Now, dito, take note, no? Iba. iba yung formula. It's 2b squared over a. Yan yung length of the latus rectum. Okay? Formula for length of latus rectum for ellipse. Actually, also for hyperbola, not 2b squared over a. Okay? But since we do not know the values of a and b, kunin natin siya from this, from the relationship, e is equal to, katambunan ang problem sa mathcad, sir. Sorry. Okay. Sige, so, the, uh, to solve for A and E, we're gonna find it from the relationship of eccentricity equal to C over A, di ba? So, since uh, A is unknown, so this is C over E, no? C over E. And that is equal to 2 over 0.65. Kailan mo na? That's 3.077, no? Yan yung value ng A. Now, how about B? Well, to get B, B should be equal to square root of A squared minus C squared, no? Minus C squared. So, yung B, that is equal to, yung A is 3.077 squared. Ito, no? Then, kaya din siya. Ito pala dapat 3.0769. Kaya lang, pangamitan, no? Para mas accurate niya. Yung 969. Ay, kalain siya. Then, minus 2 squared. Na. So, B is 2.338. Okay? B is 2.338. Na siya. So, we cannot get the LR. LR is equal to 2B squared over A. Okay, that is equal to 2 times this squared over A. A is 3.0769. So that's it. Now the LR is 3.55. Okay, screenshot, no? Konti lang yung solution pero maraming hindi marunong nito, no? Okay, sige. Next, are we gonna discuss, ano na ba? Ito muna ba? Ito ba? What if given talaga yung ano? Given talaga yung equation. Ito. The question is, what is the eccentricity, length of the latus rectum of 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 8x minus 32 equal to 0. Practice kayo mag-solve. Go. Everyone, solve it. Go. Kayo mag-solve ha. I'm gonna wait lang for your answer. So, unsa di itong 4 b squared minus 4ac? Unsa man na? Okay. Um, Bura man na siya discriminant. Okay. Ako ra gyapon mo soban eh. No, so, paano? Well, actually, if we wanna find the length of lateral sector, di ba, the requirements are B and ano? B and A kasi 2b squared over A man na siya, di ba? So we need B and A, no? But to get B and A, dapat mag-complete na square ka, so medyo dugay, no? Dugay ba? 4x squared plus 8x. So dapat naka x squared plus 2x plus 1, no? As you keep on practicing this, mas mabilis man ka, no? Makasolve. Neto, there is no linear y, so that's just 9y squared. Then it's directly equal to 32, no? 32. Negative 32 transfer to the other side, maging positive 32, no? Then add 4. So plus 4 times 1, no? Add 4 times 1. Okay, yan lang. Okay? That will become 36 at the other side. So if we are to simplify this, pwede natin to ma-write as x plus 1 squared, okay, equal to 36, no? And then, simplify, ito is x plus 1 squared over 36 over 4. Pila man ang 36 over 4? 36 over 4 is 9, no? So, 9, then ito, magiging 4 ito, y squared over 4 equal to 1, okay? This will become equal to 3 squared, then ito is 2 squared. Yan. Now 2 squared. No? So we can say that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. No? So question, pila man ang LR? LR is pila man? 2B squared. 2 times 2 squared over A. 2B squared over A, 3. No? Ano si 2.667? 2B squared over A. Easy ra. Ako ra lagi hapon. No? Now, another shortcut in determining the center of an ellipse no, is by using these formulas. Now, going back to this equation, that part 3, no, yung part 3. When we took the center nito, we tried to graph it, diba? We got h equal to 3 and k equal to 7, no? Ito yung center. Okay, when we did completing the square. Okay? But meron ding shortcut ito. Ano yung shortcut? If the ellipse is written in this equation, okay, ax squared, ax squared plus cy squared, okay, plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. Okay? If it's written in that form, yung h, no? Yung h is always equal to negative of d over 2a. Okay? To get the k right away. I mean h and k, no? Yung k naman is negative of e over 2a. Okay? So, pwede ganito. No? Pwede lagi guess. For example, again, ito. Di ba? In this case, a is equal to 64. No? A is 64. Okay? Ang D, that's coefficient of x, negative 384. No? So, solving for H, that is equal to negative 384 over 64. No? Negative of this. Okay? Evaluating that gives us negative 6. Positive. 2. Dapat 2. 2 times 64. No? So, it gives us 3. Now, again, dapat 2A. Ito, 2C pala, no? 2C, no? Yung sa K. So, evaluating the coefficient of I mean the center, the y coordinate to center, no? So yung e, that's equal to negative 350. Yung c is 25. Okay, so it's 2 times 25. Okay, negative of this should be the answer. Yan, okay, and that is equal to 7. Para diretso na next time, no? If you are just asked to find the values of h and k. Diba? Mas lahos na ba? Okay ba? Okay ba? Oh, yeah. Sarap ng kape. Sobrang sarap ng kape. Okay, next. Mag hyperbola na tayo, no? Hyperbola. What is a hyperbola? Ano yung definition ng hyperbola? Like, it's a locus of a point that moves such that the difference, no? Uh, of the distance of two fixed points from that locus or that point is constant. Like, ito, no? Sample, kini siya. Sample, this is D1, no? Ito naman is D2. Yung difference nito is constant siya at any point, no? If dito naman, let's say, kini nga distance ang i-consider na to, at kini nga point i-consider na to, ni siya dire. Oops. So, ito na point. Kana, no? This distance minus this distance is constant, no? So, that is the graph na magawa. Okay? So, if the center of this hyperbola is hk, na h and k, yung distance ng center to the curve, no? Nearest distance ng center to the curve, we call that as the semi-transverse axis, no? The semi-transverse axis, denoted as A. So, yung whole transverse axis is 2A, no? Parang, ano siya, parang major axis siya, no? Oh shit, natabunan ulit. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, so again, ulitin natin, no? Ulitin natin. So, hyperbola, again, no, is yun yung form if we're to cut a, ano, cut a, sa tawagan vertical plane, no, sa cone. And by definition, in terms of a locus, it's a locus of a point that moves such that the difference of distances, no, of a point to two fixed points is constant, no? So D2 is equal minus D1 is constant, no? At any point, no? Kahit saang point pa yan, okay, the difference is constant. Okay, kanina for ellipse it was the sum was constant, no? The sum. So these are still called the foci, no? And ito center. Okay? So HK yung center and distance to center of the ellipse, I mean from the hyperbola to center of the hyperbola to the curve, that is the semi-transverse axis. Okay, semi-transverse. Then, um, if magawa tayo ng box, guys, na yung other dimension ito, no, is called the conjugate, semi-conjugate axis, no? In this box na ma-form dito, yung length, no? Yan yung distance from the vertices, no, of the hyperbola. Okay? Um, Yan tinatawag nating transverse axis, no? Yung 2A, ito, transverse axis yan. Ito naman 2B, tawag naman natin yung conjugate, no? Conjugate axis. Now, for this hyperbola, if it centers at hk, the equation is this: x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1. Now, ito yung dapat nyong i-remember, no? If it opens towards x direction, yung opening, no, is towards x direction, di ba? Horizontal, positive and negative x. Yung a dapat is nasa x, nasa ilalim ng x, nasa denominator ng x. Okay? Ganun dapat, no, yung i-remember ninyo. And that is the positive, no? Yung negative is yun yung parang empty siya or walang graph, no? No graph dito. No graph. 'Di ba? No graph dito, that no graph. Okay? That's why minus na siya diha, no? Minus. Okay? So that's it. That is the equation of the hyperbola. Okay? If ever ito yung orientation, ito yung drawing, no? Now, if kunin natin yung C naman is longer than A and B na, that should be C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Parang Pythagorean theorem na kanina, if you could remember, sa ellipse, A was greater than A and B. A was greater than C and B. No? So it's like the equation in ellipse, it was it was A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Ngayon, since C is no longer than both A and B, C squared should be equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay? Yan siya. And yung directrix naman, makuha din natin siya using the centricity. The centricity has the same formula now with the ellipse. It's C over A. So yung directrix is equal to A over E. No? And for hyperbola, the directrix is greater than 1. I mean, the centricity is greater than 1. Right? Okay? Now, for this kind of hyperbola, this is a hyperbola na opens downward, upward, and downward, no? So, yung transverse axis nito is ito. Ito yung A. Ito siya ang A. No? Yan. So, dapat, since papuntang Y siya, no? Papuntang Y, dapat nasa ilalim ng Y yung A. Okay? And that is at the positive side. As you can see, na-interchange na. No? Nasa positive na yung Y. Na kasi, yung no graph na dito is dito. Dito sa left and right. Diba? So, negative yung sa x, no? So, you see, kung saan yung direction ng opening, no? Ayan yung i-positive mo sa equation. If towards x-axis, x direction, na horizontal yung opening, no? Yung opening is ito, di ba? Yan. Na kanina, yan yung opening, no? Towards x. So, that's why, ito yun, no? Then, negative naman to. So, dito, towards y naman, so, dapat a squared. Now take note na a may not be greater than b. In this case, this seems like a is not greater than b, no? Di ba? Dito, as you see, in this graph, seems like, yeah, a is greater than b, no? Based on the figure. But not all the time. May times, may instance na a is less than b. For example, ito. No? If we would make a rectangle kasi dito, so ito yung form na rectangle, no? So you'll see that the b is this, no? And that's 4, and a is ito naman, that's 3. See? A is 3, b is 4, di ba? Tama siya, no? A is not greater than b, no? Not all the time a is greater. Okay? Question. There. Solve na yun ta, no? A hyperbola has an equation 16x squared minus 9y squared plus 160x plus 36y minus 212 equal to 0. First question, locate the center. Second, find the length of the transverse and conjugate axis. Number 3, find the length of the latus rectum. Now, the latus rectum dito would have the same formula, no, with the ellipse, no? 2b squared over 8. Okay? And the coordinates of the foci, the eccentricity, the distance between the directrices, then the equations. Include natin equations ng directrices, no? And also i-graph natin. Okay, guys, pasensyahan niyo na pala yung boses ko, ha? No? Um, my throat is actually aching, no? Di ko ka chagit. Sorry, gid nag-concert mong ko gabi eh. Bitaw, it's been 5 days na or a week na masakit yung throat ko. Simula nung umuwi ako ng probinsya. Okay? Attend my lolo's funeral. Ang layo pa. So, I hope naintindihan niyo lang, no? I hope naririnig niyo lang ako well. Okay? At least, sir, may bago kang sasakyan. Okay. Turn on material. So, this is the given. Let's find the center, no? And more. So, again, conventional solution muna tayo. No, yung basic solution ba, no? Not muna the shortcuts, okay? Or the formulas. Okay, yung proper solution, 'di ba? For any wait, ano ba sa dali na? Any conic section, including circles, yung basic talaga is completing the square, no? So mag-completing the square muna tayo. Okay, so 16x squared minus 9y squared. So the same as kanina, i-group natin yung mga x at saka mga y, no? Yung mga x, so 16x squared plus 160x. Okay? Then yung y, minus 9y squared. Then plus 36y. Okay? Maganda siya basic y. No? Uy. Then equal to 212. Okay? 212. Now, ano nga yung next gagawin, 'di ba? Mag-factor tayo, no? So that is 16 times x squared. Ito, it's obvious, no, na maging 10 ito. Plus 10, no? 10x. Right? 10x. Then, here naman, lagyan natin ng parenthesis again. I mean, space, no? Here naman, i-factor out natin yung negative 9. So, this would become y squared. Then 36 over 9. Ilan ba yung 36 over 9? Is it 4? Okay. It's equal to 4, no? But take note, guys. Take note na yung factor out ko is negative 9, no? So, dapat maging negative to in order for it to become or to go back to positive 36, no? If i-distribute na natin. So, dapat negative siya, no? Equal to 212. Okay? So, let's continue. Ano yung i-add natin? Okay, dapat mag-add tayo ng 5 squared. Yan yung i-add natin. Bakit 5 squared? Kasi, ano siya eh? 10 siya eh. Half ng 10 is 5. No? So, square mo yan. Then ito, mag-add naman tayo ng negative 4 squared or negative 2 squared. Yan. Negative 4 over 2 quantity squared. Okay? And since we added we added them, no, we should also add it at 212 plus 16 times 5 squared, then minus, take note ha, minus 9 times negative 2 squared. Okay? So, i-take note yun ang, ano, no? Okay? So, simplify. This is 16 times x plus 5, no, squared. But ito naman is minus 9 times y minus 2. Y minus 2 squared. Okay? And that is equal to what? Pila mo na siya? Pila mo na? That's 576. 576. Okay? 576. Okay? Now, we should make the right side equal to 1. No? Right side equal to 1. So, what we gotta do is divide this by 576. No? So, divided by 576. May equal to 1 na siya. Okay? Simplify. Pila man ng 16 over 576, be? Pila man daw, be? That's 1 over 36. No? 1 over 36. So, ibig sabihin yan, this will be written as x plus 5 squared over 36. Yan. Okay? Then minus, what? Ito naman, if i-divide naman natin yung 576 by 9, ilan yung sagot? Or 9 over 576, it's equal to 1 over 64 naman. So, this is 64 over 64, and that's equal to 1. Yan. No? Equal to 1. So, yung a squared dito is equal to the 36. Take note that a squared isn't the greater, but is the positive here. No? The positive side is yung 36. No? So, a is equal to square root of 36. And that's equal to 6. Kana siya. Equal to 6. Yan yung a. No? Well, yung b, that is equal to 64. B squared is equal to 64. No? So, b should be square root of 64. Ilan man daw, b? Square root of 64 is 8. No? That's it. And to find c, the formula is c is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. Na kasi c is greater. But I forgot, no? Dapat again, dapat yung una na to i-solve dito is identify dito sa location of the center. Nakuha na pala natin, no? Supposedly. Location of the center. Going back sa problem, part A. The center is at, negative 5, 2. No? Kasi H is negative 5, K is positive. Negative 5 to siya. No? The length of the transverse and conjugate axis, for transverse axis, no? Transverse axis, that is again equal to 2A, no? 2A na siya. Ay, magpawani ha? 2A na, not just A. So, 2 times 6, or that is 12, okay? Yan yung transverse axis. Then, yung isa, yung conjugate, that is equal to 2B. Okay? So, this is 16. Nakasunod lang? Next, the length of the latus rectum. Again, part 1, 2, 3 pala ito, no? Part 3. Length of the latus rectum. LR. Okay, LR is equal to 2B squared over A. Okay, so that is equal to 2 times so 2 times 8 squared. Okay, over 12. Ito yung length ng latus rectum. Is it 12 or 6? 6 na? Ah. Okay, so 21.33. Yun yung LR. Okay? Next. Ano pa? Ano yung next? Part 4. Ito na lang. Part 4 is find the coordinates of the foci. Uy, dito i-plot muna natin, no? I-plot muna natin by. Sige daw. I'm gonna copy this way. Uh-huh. Gini. Plot natin dito. Okay lang? No? I hope makaya rin ni sa ako ang program. Okay. So again, no? As we got, yung H is, yung center is at negative 5, 2. Okay, asa man ang negative 5, 2. Negative 5, 2. Ito, no? Sa second quadrant. Yung A is 6. Yung A is 6. So, distance, wait. Ano ba yung opening dito? Of course, no? Walang nag-change sa sign. So, nasa x-axis yung A. Okay, I mean, along the x-axis. So, it opens horizontally. Ana lang, no? Ana ra. Okay? Bali, pwede ako magawa ng segment. Ito is negative 5 to sorry, ito negative 5 minus 12. Ano siya, no? Um, First nga line, or gawa na lang ako ng rectangle. Okay, just give me a sec, ha? Okay. Ang gawa ko na, nibalik na. Am I reconnected, guys? Na-reconnect na ba ko? Hey. Tell me. Tell me, guys. If na-reconnect ako. Pag yumuk daw, sir. You mean maglihok-lihok? Hmm. Okay na po, sir. Okay, so, where did I lose you guys? Charot. Okay, so going back to the graphing natin. Okay. So, again, no? Uh, make a make rectangle, di ba? Again, as what we got kanina, we got A equal to 6 and B equal to 8. So, dapat magawa ka ng rectangle na ano, 12 by 16. Make a 12 by 16 rectangle. Okay? Na siya. So, 12 by 16. Bakit 12? Kasi 2A yan. 2A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulang pa ito. Dapat 6 dito. Then, ito. Okay. So, muna siya. No? Pwede natin lagyan ng ano ba? Konting kulay. With transparency 90%. Kana. No? Okay. So, just make sure lang no na ang dimension dimension is equal to 2a. No? Kini siya must be the transverse axis. Ano siya? Yan dapat yung transverse axis. Okay? Ayan yung E. No? And that is equal to what? 6a. Okay, klaro lang ba? Klaro lang, sir. No? Ito naman, B. Ito naman yung B. Okay? This should be equal to 8. Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. No? So, ito naman yung conjugate. No? Semi-conjugate axis. No? What's the purpose of this rectangle? Well, uh, through this kasi, we could make the asymptotes. No? Asymptotes. Kaya siya, i-connect mo yung ito, mga corner. No? Connect na ninyo sila. Change ko yung color nito. I mean, dimension. Okay. Ito yung tinatawag nating asymptotes. Ayan, i-continue natin. Pak, pak, no? So, sa kabila, rotate ko lang ito. Kabila din, no? Dapat, these lines should pass through the corners, no? Through the corners. Okay? Kita lang? I hope naka-follow lang ha. Now, saan nga ito naka-open? Of course, to the left and right lang, di ba? Kasi nasa X lang yung A, yung positive, no? No? Looking back sa ano natin, nagawa natin equation, see? Nasa baba lang, nasa X lang yung ano, positive. Or yung X yung positive. So, along X, ibig sabihin yan, di magawa tayo ng hyperbola, it'd be like this. Yan. Oops. Oh, sorry. Sobra. Or maybe I could make a ano dito. Wait. Dara, no? Ito yung hyperbola. Okay, so, kita nyo lang? Ayos, no? Ayos na. Skip ay. Mhm. Change ko na to. I'm gonna make this ano 20 year 5, no? Ito, 20. Tama na pala. No, gonna make this. Okay. Mhm. Change by, sorry, 15, 15, 20, 30 lahat. 30, 10, 40 lahat. 20, 20. Ito ba? I'm gonna try this. Hyperbola, negative 5 and 2, and A is 6, B is 8, and walang X. Ano siya? Uy, naiba talaga yung ano, figure. Ah, balik ko na diri. Magiba yung code ko dito. Ah, sige na lang. Kira na. No? So, okay ba? Next. Next naman tayo. No? Next problem. I think I still have a prepared, I have another prepared problem dito. Ito naman be. Ito. Ay, we're not yet done, no? Are we? Are we done? Kanina, we got the, we got the, we graphed it lang, but we did not get the location of the focus. Hi sir, bakit po nasa side siya, hindi siya up and down? Again, kasi nasa positive yung X, no? As simple as that, nasa positive yung X. Now, let's find the, location of the focus. So, yung focus dito must be somewhere dito, no? Somewhere dito. Yeah, maybe that point, maybe this point, but to know exactly where, let's find the value of z. We got actually c equal to 10, no? Equal to 10. So, dapat yung i-plus and minus natin, yung ano lang, yung h, no? Bale, for the focus number 1, yung nasa left, okay, yung nasa left, dapat located siya at what? Diba? The x coordinate of the center is negative 5 man, no? Negative 5 minus 10. Okay? Negative 5 minus 10, 2. And yung f at the right, okay? Dapat plus naman siya. Plus. No? Plus. Or, they are located at negative 15 at saka positive 5. Okay, so negative 15 and positive 5. If i-locate natin yan, negative 15, yan, no? Mana siya ba eh? Yeah, 5, 2. Ito yung mga focus, no? Yan. Diba? Then another, yung part C nito, sir, foci, sir, is C. C is distance, no? Distance from the center. Okay? Distance of the foci, no, from the center. Now, how about the, how about the, ano pa yung next pinapahanap? Coordinates of the foci, eccentricity. Okay, part 5 is finding the eccentricity. So ito yung formula. Formula is E is equal to C over A. No? And we already got C. No, it's equal to 10. And A is 6. So it's 10 over 6 or 1.67. And that's correct, no? Kasi E for eccentricity for hyperbola is greater than 1. No, greater than 1. Okay? Then yung next na pinapahanap, okay, kayo na lang mag-look back ha. Next na pinapahanap is the distance between the directrices. Okay? Distance between the directrices. Yung distance from center to directrix is D. Okay? D muna. Yung D is equal to A over E. A over E. No? Again, distance yan. Distance of directrix from the center. Okay? So, solving for D, it's equal to 6 over 1.67 or 10 over 6. That's equal to 3.6. Okay? Ibig sabihin niyan, distance between directrices is equal to twice of 3.6. Okay? Or that is equal to 7.2. Para mas mag-gets mo na siya, guys, no? I'm gonna make a vertical line, ha? Ito. Kano siya? X equal to negative 5 minus minus 3.6. Negative 8.6. Kana siya? No? That is the first directrix. And the other one, I'm gonna change the color. And that is, ano naman, plus naman. Negative 5 plus 3.6 or negative 1.4. Mano siya? Mano siya mga directrix, guys? No? Kini. Yan, no? Ito yung pinapahanap. Distance between the directrices, 2D yan, no? Kasi distance of one of them from the center is the D. Is equal to D. No? So part 6, the answer is 7.2. Okay? Now, how about the equation of directrices? To find the equation, kanina, nag-solve ako dito, no? Diba? Ano ito? Vertical to. So, dapat x equal to constant, no? Yung constant is h minus d, no? So, h is negative 5 minus 3.6. That's equal to negative 8.6. So, yan yung equation. X is equal to negative 8.6 or pwede mo siyang gawing decimal, no? Ilan ba yung negative 8.6 in decimal? In fraction. I mean in fraction, no? If fraction natin to, 18 over 5. No, that's supposedly 18 over 5. So, negative 5 minus 18 over 5 is 43 over 6. So, ito sana yung equation, no? X is equal to negative 43 over 5 or 5x equal to negative 43. The other one is if i-plus natin, no? Plus natin. Negative 5 plus 18 over 5 or that is negative 7 over 5, no? Ano siya? Or negative 1.4. So, x equal to negative 7 over 5. Okay, so mali yung mga equations ito, this orange and blue one, no? Yan yung equation ng mga directrices na yan. Okay ba? Okay. Okay. What time mahuman, sir? 11:30. Di ko sure, mga 091. Uy, number may gihatag. Okay, so do you have any question? Kasi may pasopa ako sa inyo, no? May pasopa. Pero it's already, 11:23, no? Ba't ang bilis ng mga panahon ba eh? Now, shortcut. I mean, formula. The same with the ellipse, pwede rin natin makuha right away yung location ng center, no? By just looking at the equation. The same with the ellipse, no? A formula is still equal to negative d over 2a at saka negative e over 2c. Ito ba? No? The formula is still this. Yun siya. For the hyperbola. Okay? So, pwede natin i-apply ito, no? Let's try, no? Yung E nito is equal to what? I mean, yung D. Yung D nito is equal to 160. Okay, yung A is equal to 16. Yan. So, it's negative 5, no? How about K? Yung yung E nito is equal to 36. Okay? Now, take note, yung C nito is negative 9, not just 9, but negative 9. No? So, evaluating that would give us 2. So, negative 5 to C. Pwede lang. No? Pwede lang natin siya ma-shortcut. Diba? Okay kayo eh. Okay, bye. Next. How about this, be? How about this? Yan, yan. Mhm. Load na eh. How about this one? Yeah, it's different na, no? This is now different. 16x squared minus 9y squared plus 96x plus 126y minus 153 equal to 0. Locate the center. Start with that. I want you to try solving the center. Go, everyone. Sige daw. Sige daw. Solve daw. Solve daw. Pasakay sa imo expander padungpong sa Sir, number 7. Equation of the directrices. Discuss naman. Okay. Yeah. What is the location of the center nito? Sakit na gano'n ko tutunlan. No? Dali araw kasakit ni Sir. Ay, Sir, di makita. Di makita? Kita lang gid. Ang tabunan sa atin. Negative 37? Sir, ang A and B, sir, dili ma-shortcut. Tali meron, no? Meron, pwede yan ma-shortcut. And I want you to try to figure that out, no? gusto, gusto mo turuan ko kayo? Ganito ay. Uh, let's start with this ano. This hyperbola na lang, no? This hyperbola, medyo mahirap to kasi ano siya, we do not know exactly if this hyperbola opens like this, no? Upward, left or right, left and right, or upward and downward. I do not know. I couldn't tell right away, no? But ito yung usual ginagawa ko noon, no, noong grade 4 ako, no, in solving hyperbola. After I got the location of the center, di ba, HK, no? No, H. Diretso ko ha. H is equal to 90, negative 96, negative of 96 over twice of 16. That's negative 3, no? And yung K naman is equal to negative of 126 over twice of negative 9. Right? Na siya. So evaluating that, it's 7. Now, the center is at negative 3, 7. Now, pwede man that i-assume ko ito na ganito. Ganito. Okay? If I would assume that, ito yung gagawin ko. I would try to find what is the corresponding x coordinate, no, of this point. Okay? Ayaw lang mo pag imagine og lain ha, o bati ha. 'Di ba? The center nito has y coordinate, same y coordinate, no? With this point, no? So dapat 7 din yung y coordinate. If indeed it opens left and right, no? Bale, iba lang yung x, 'di ba? Iba lang yung x. So I'm gonna find the value of x now with k equal to 7, no? Equal to what I got. Now that would be my first assumption. Okay? If I couldn't get anything, no, that means I'd be wrong, no? So, man, ato i-ship solve, eh. Ship solve na to. Okay, wait sa ha. Ship solve. Sa wala pa ni on ang cube. Wait sa guys. Mawali lagi ta. Kajut lang, ha? Left or right na since x is positive. No, no, no. You could not say right away, no? Kasi it could be, if you are to do, completing the square, it could be kasi mag-change yung sign. No, may times na mag-change yung sign. No, you could not say talaga right away. So ngayon, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna input the equation. No? Ay, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo sa i-turn on ko muna yung Canon. So 16x squared minus 9y squared, okay, plus 96x plus 126y minus 153 equal to 0. Okay? So yung gagawin ko again, I'm gonna find x, no? With y equal to equal to 7. Okay? Equal to 7. And if wala akong makuhang value ng x, no? Andito, upon knowing that h is negative 3, dapat this is somewhat negative 3 plus something, no? Negative 3 plus, let's say, 10. Let me try that, no? Yan yung initial assumption ko. So if tama ako, it should give me a value of x where that curve passes through, no? Now, as you can see, consolve siya. Why? Why consolve siya? Kasi it could be na pag ganito yung graph, upward, downward, no? So, what I would do is, i-change ko. Yung gagawin ko, dapat ang coordinates yan must be x equal to negative 3, no? But yung y, iba na, na y of the upper vertex. Okay? So, yung gagawin ko, kaya na, iba na yung y, no? So, gagawin ko, punta ako balik dito, pero since y na yung isolve ko ngayon, I'm gonna make this y, then shift calc, no? Then make x equal to negative 3 kasi the same na yan ng x-axis, no? But different na yung y. Could be 7 plus something, 7 plus 5, let's say, no? I don't know. And it gives me 11. It gives me 11 here. No? So it means the upper vertex is at negative 3, 11. No? The upper vertex is at negative 3, 11. So, that would mean na pwede natin makuha yung A. No, yung A, difference na yan. Right away. Difference yan ng 11 and 7. Kasi that is equal to 4. Okay, o hindi ko pala naipakita. Okay. A is equal to 4. Di ba? Kuha yung Kuha yung A. Now, how about yung B, sir? Siguro ito yung mahirap, no? How to get B? Kung ano. This is something that I have to figure out. How to get B, how to get B. So hanapin, wait. Get B. B kasi is this. If A could be solved right away, B, mhm. Sige lang. That's something that I would, I have to, ano pa, find a shortcut, no? Maybe there's a formula for that, but honestly, hindi ako nagpo-formula, no, for this. For this. Kasi pwede lang siya maano eh. Pwede lang siya ma completing the square, no? Basta as you can see, no? What happens is that naging vertical siya. So, ibig sabihin nito, this would become in a form like ano, um, y minus k squared over a squared, no? Minus um, x minus h squared over b squared equal to 1, no? May ganito yung equation. Okay ba? May ganito. Actually, ito pala. I think I could get the value of b na, no? Kanina, we got a equal to 4, no? A equal to 4. And also, um, di ba, h was equal to negative 3 and k was equal to 7, no? So with this, i-shift solve po na to. I mean, ano po na to? Yeah, with this, isa-substitute lang natin, no? K is equal to 7, no? Then, ito is negative 3. Okay? A is 4, B is unknown. Now, here, i-substitute lang natin yung point na nakuha natin. Negative 3. I mean, 11. Di ba 11 to? 11 at saka negative 3. No? Yung sinubstitute natin. Ito pala yung shortcut. Ay, pala yung shortcut. Solve. No? Solve for B. B shouldn't be. No. Tama ba ako? It passes through negative 3. So this should be positive 3. Ba't parang mali? Naging 0 siya. Okay. 11 minus 4. Okay. This shouldn't be the solution. Mahirap. Or, maghanap ka ng ano. So, ayaw na lang ng shortcut, mas makalibog. See? Mas nalito kayo, no? So, that's why, it's just fine not to do completing the square. It's just really fine. Okay? Meron kasing magano eh, yung bang, gusto talaga nila ng shortcut, gusto talaga nila ng formula. No, even though you can just do the simple solution. Okay? Just do simple solution, no? Especially completing the square kasi could be used for circles, for parabola, no? No? So, yung mga shortcuts, pwede mo i-practice pero yung conventional solution talaga is importante na siya. Okay? Now, next meeting natin will be talking about calculus, no? We'll be solving areas, no? Areas bounded within curves, okay? Areas bounded within curves. Since we already know na how to graph, di ba? No, say area between intersecting parabolas or circle and parabola, no? gamitan natin ang integral, no? So that be starting next week, no? Starting next week. Okay? So I hope marami kayong na-learn this morning. Parang konti lang, no? Kasi sobrang rami ay haba ng topic, no? Including graphing, medyo dragging, medyo mahina, no? Mabagal yung pag-discuss. Pero sige lang, I hope may mga na-learn kayo, no? Hala, sige. So, kita-kita tayo next week, no? Kita-kita tayo next week. Hala, loya to samot ani. No, no. Sa calculus, you're not the one that would do the integration, no? Kayo yung mag-ano, magforma lang sa equation, then the calculator will just do the integration for you. Okay? That'll be next week. Hala, sige, sige, sige. Ano po answers? Lawak. Kabalo sa exact answers nito. No? Discuss it with your classmates kung ano. Ano ba? I think I have answers to that. Wala day yun. Pero ito yung magiging graph nito. Ito yung magiging graph nito. Anong problem kanina? Yan, na? Hala, sige. Algebra ang problema sa calculus. So, God bless everyone, no? Kita tayo next week. Goodbye.